Aloha everyone and welcome to Reunite Your DNA, where we can help you find your family members. So imagine that your parents are adopted. You have a biological family, um, and you get your DNA results back because you hope to find them just through getting your DNA tested at Ancestry. And you get notified that you have a hint, but you're not sure how to continue with this hint of finding your biological parents. And so you don't know how this is possible, but you really want to find them because you lost contact with them at birth and you don't have any records of your biological parents. So this is problems that we are here to solve. In order to find your biological parents, you come to us and we will help you. So one of the good things about us is that we are a team of two. And so I am the CEO, and Mike Codman is the certified researcher with much experience in DNA research. All you have to do is get your DNA tested and then send us the results. The problems that we'll fix is we are faster than our competition. So our competition is free with volunteer work. We will inform you about this problem and solution, and you normally think that you can do it yourself. Going back to the situation earlier, you see a hint, so you think, oh, I can do this by myself with the use of the internet, which is not true. You need access to different records and different things that we can do for you. And we have over 10 years of experience with already helping people find their biological parents. Our customers come to us and leave our competitors because we are the most reliable and efficient. And not only that, we have a lot of quality. So instead of just getting it done fast, we are really good at spending all the time focusing on you to help you find your people. And because we are a small company, at the beginning we are really focusing on helping others individually with their own case. Like I said, we are very reliable because we are a team of two and we have over 10 years of experience combined in this. And we really want to focus our attention towards helping you because we are very passionate about this in the family history industry. We know how hard it can be to lose your relatives and lose that contact. And so we just want to help you find this contact again and reunite families. Our business is continuing to grow, and we expect about after 2 years, 10% growth each year in sales. We have about 200,000 potential customers that we are reaching through different sources, and it costs around $40 to get a customer, and our employees right now are only one, but we are expected to grow in the next year to about 6 new employees. And because of our low cost, we can help others succeed faster without having to pay a lot of expenses. So our other competition really just has volunteer service. Like I said, which is good. It's nice that it's free, but you're not getting the quality that you deserve. And so records might get lost. They might take a long time. You're not a priority. They don't have access to different records or different databases and services. But because our services are fast and premium, our customers' behavior will be extremely better because they will be more satisfied with our experience and services. Our revenue streams are online marketing, affiliate marketing, and customer membership. And this is going to help us receive much income in a different way than just having package services or one-time purchase. And the marketing will give us most of our revenue. So online marketing such as Facebook ads, Instagram, affiliate marketing through Ancestry, 23andMe, in order to get those DNA kits started, we will affiliate through other companies. And the last one is our customer membership. And this will be a year membership to have access to all the records that we send them and different ways to find their family further after we give them their results. Lastly, our financial roadmap is to expect $84,000 in year 5 and to increase our sales 10% annually, like I said. Now, this is going to help us, like I said, find those families that we are wanting to help, and to Dine to succeed to help these families find their biological parents.